Okay, so here's my microcycle plan. I'm looking at the warm-up page here first, and I just did a general dynamic warm-up like Dr. G had set up for us because I felt like that was a good one, and it actually mirrors one that I do with my soccer and lacrosse teams. So I liked that and kept that. And then I did my specific dynamic warm-up, and for muscle endurance, this is all I did. I didn't add in any agility that day or plyometrics or anything like that. Um, I'm going to quickly go over here to the muscle endurance workout. And in the muscle endurance workout, what I'm hoping you can see is that the dynamic warm-up was designed to get ready for this particular workout in this stretching session. I have time, between both to add in some other work like plyometrics or some agility training, but I thought that the plyometric or the speed work, I should say, fit in nicely with the strength day, and that's going to be a long day in the end. But I built in some speed specific techniques, some maximum speed velocity, and then some speed acceleration, these falling starts so that the athletes could work on those first couple of steps where they need to have that shorter stride length. And that was coinciding with, I believe right here is the strength day, where we're doing less lifts than we did on the muscle endurance day, but obviously at a greater percentage of the 1 rep velocity. And then over on my power day, that's where I built in, during my warm up, I built in the agilities and the plyometrics. And I did the agilities and the plyometrics on that day because the exercises that we're doing that day are more dynamic and I believe would require a greater full body warm up. And each day, with the exception of this power day, I used basically the exact same specific dynamic warm up. However, on the power day, I built in a couple of different dynamic stretches that the athletes would do, again, to continue warming up that body and engaging more muscles.